Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Seasoned Beauties. Now our video on today, this is a continuation of something I started a couple months ago, but we had a challenge with the videos. Now, that series would be our brush videos. Okay, so I have lots and lots of brushes, a lot. I've gotten through subscription boxes, be it a beauty box or some other ones. I'm not going to call the names of them, but you know, because you probably got some too. So what I wanted to do was share how we use these brushes. Now, the brushes we're going to talk about and demonstrate today on how we created this look. Now, I want to tell you there are other things that you see that's done, but you will not see them in the video because this video is about the brushes. And so the ones that we're going to talk about today, these are the MOTD brushes. Okay, and these are the 5 eyeshadow brushes. And also, this one is by Pink and Beauty. This set right here, this one is the full face powder brush and the blush / contour brush. And this is the Pretty in Pink brush set. So these are the two that we use. Can you tell? We just did everything about pink today, okay? Now, don't get it twisted. Every video is not going to be based on the colors of the brushes. It's just, I was starting off today and I looked at this palette and I immediately thought about, yeah, we could create a look using this one and make the pink roll together. So I'm gonna tell you right now, the products that we used for this look, all right? To go along with those brushes. So the eyes were created with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered, okay? This is the remastered brush. This is the remastered palette. We use the blush here is by Fenty, and this is the Summertime Wine 04. This one right here. That's what that looks like. And this lippy is by Pretty Filter, and this is the Soul Velvet Lipstick. All right, so for a minute, let's just talk about these brushes. All right, so if you're a subscriber of this channel or you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I am not, if I do, it's an emergency that I would come on here and show you dirty brushes. This is not an emergency because I could wash my brushes in between, because I also wanted to let you know about that. What is that? How easy they were to clean. They did not fray. They are still nice and full. And if that happens after one washing, we know there's a problem. I'm just saying, we will definitely know that there is a problem if they were falling apart, if the ferrules were coming, you know, loose from the glue, because as you know, like I said, if you watched me for a while, I am one of those people. I've been called over the top, but I don't care. I wash my brushes after every use. I do not put back in the day, my mom used to say, why would you paint a pretty picture with a dirty brush? Now, if you used one color to do your eye look, why would you go and put another one in on top of that? Don't you know it's still gonna mix? I'm just saying. So I do clean my brushes after each use, and I am pleased to say that these came out wonderfully. Everything about them I do like. You saw, or you will see in the video how I used them, whether it was a patting motion or a wiper motion, whatever the case may have been. So I have to tell you, these, oh yes, I would definitely recommend, definitely liked these, okay? So that is the first set, which is the eye set, and the Pretty in Pink brush set. These are amazing. I just want to tell you, they are amazing. These brushes, that they are cruelty-free and they are synthetic brushes. And let me tell you, they are, first of all, they're very pretty to look at, but they worked wonderfully. They are very full, dense brushes, and they spread out nicely. This is my powder brush, okay? And as you'll see in a few minutes, I use this to do my final setting, my translucent powder all over my face, okay? So that's what this one was used for. And this one, of course, was for my blush. But the next time I use it, I'm going to use it on my contour. because I used something else, but I wanted to kind of focus on the blush for this one. All right, so if you'd like to see how we created this look, by all means, please continue to watch. Okay, I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we checked out, created this look, used the MOTD 5-piece eye brush set. And also the Pretty in Pink by Pinky Beauty. This is the brush set with the full face powder brush and the blush / contour brush. Amazing. Okay, now I do hope that you enjoyed our video. This, of course, is the final look, which you saw. It took me a half an hour to do everything. I know the video is not that long and a lot of things you did not see, but we only wanted to focus on the brushes, okay? So make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts about these brushes, the look that was created. If you have them and you've used them and what you thought of them, let me know that in the comment section down below. And make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and you know it's easy on the pocket because it is free. Share this video, share it with someone who might be looking for a pink look with our skin tone, or they want to check out these brushes, or even the palettes. But it's not about the palettes, it's about the brushes. But if that's why you need to share, by all means, please do. All right, but most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.